Okay, so I bought the VersaStack system from our local Lowe's store by Craftsman, and these things kill me. These clamps fall off constantly, the latches. So I contacted Craftsman via Twitter, and they said they're working on it. They know it's a problem. They're re-engineering it, but they're not giving those people who bought these any kind of heads up on that, or any kind of refund or way to fix it. So I came up with a pretty simple solution to keeping these on. Really just get your 2 small zip ties, feed it down and back around. You can see there, cut them off. Even if it comes loose, which it won't, because it does a pretty good job of holding these tight up against and keeping them seated. It won't go anywhere. It won't fall off. People who own these know that these just will just fall off. You know, global materials and such. And so yeah, just get you some, get you a couple little zip ties there. Zip them on. Closes up just like normal. Actually closes a little tighter, and it doesn't affect your seal, so you keep the, I don't know, IP65 waterproof rating. So thanks for watching.